Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom soup from scratch. Start by prepping 1 lb mushrooms, 1 onion, and 2 cloves garlic, all finely chopped. Sear mushrooms in a hot pan until deeply browned, then sweat onions and garlic until translucent. Deglaze with broth, simmer for 20 minutes, then blend to desired texture. Stir in cream or non-dairy option, adjust salt, and serve hot with fresh herbs. Gather ingredients so cooking flows smoothly and stress-free. Use a mix of button and cremini or wild mushrooms for more complex flavor. Keep broth warm to preserve heat when combining with mushrooms. Taste and season gradually with salt and pepper, remembering salt highlights mushroom umami. If blending, reserve a few sautéed slices for garnish. They add texture and visual appeal. Serve with crusty bread or a light salad for contrast. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cold, soggy feet in the kitchen. Treat yourself to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy, tough, and worth the splurge. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Work methodically. Brown mushrooms first to maximize flavor, then add onions and garlic to build the soup base. Deglaze with a cup of warm broth to lift brown bits, then add the rest of the liquid and simmer until flavors marry. Use an immersion blender for a rustic texture or a counter blender for a silky finish. Always finish with a small splash of acid or cream to brighten the bowl and balance richness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.